Okay guys, so we are back again, and in this video we're going to be talking about my cryptocurrency portfolio for the month of July. If you haven't already seen my stock portfolio update for the month of July, go ahead and check that out. I'll leave an eye notification up there. But as I said, this video will be all about cryptocurrency. Also, on a quick note as well, if you're watching this before the 15th of July, I'm currently running a giveaway on the channel. All you have to do is check out this video right here and it tells you how to enter, basically giving away a total of €150 to some of my followers. So before we jump into my portfolio, I'll just cover off a little bit of cryptocurrency news and we'll take a quick look at how the overall market has been the last few weeks. First of all, we'll talk about Binance, and in particular Binance UK. Basically, the FCA came out and told Binance that they must disclose to their customers that they are not able to do any regulated activity within the UK. Now, at the moment, cryptocurrency is unregulated, so you can still go ahead and buy and sell your cryptocurrency. But what is regulated in the UK is derivatives, so essentially options on cryptocurrency. So that is regulated, and Binance needed to come out and basically disclose that to their customers that this was a regulated activity and they are not permitted to conduct these in the UK. So if you go on to binance.co.uk, you can see this statement up on the website here. If you currently use Binance.com in Ireland or the UK, you can still buy and sell your cryptocurrency, but it's just this regulated market that you're not able to do, which is the derivatives. So in other news as well, China have pretty much cracked down on Bitcoin miners in China, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. And in other news, China are cracking down on Bitcoin miners. Essentially, they have ceased a lot of operations over there for people who are mining, and a lot of them people in China are now moving over to the US to continue their mining operations. And while this may seem like a bad thing at first, it's not really a bad thing because it is taking away some of the centralization of the mining, which was majority of that was in China. So now it's kind of decentralizing that a little bit in terms of the mining. So not bad news overall, but caused a bit of a downward trend in the market. If we look at the current price of Bitcoin, it's trading at about $33,000. The last high for Bitcoin was around 40,000 on the 15th of June, but since then we've kind of been trading around that 30 to 35,000 level, staying pretty stagnant there. In terms of if we are still in a bull market or if we have now entered a bear market, it's pretty much anyone's guess. I think the next couple of weeks will definitely tell a lot. Tesla CEO Elon Musk, as well as Twitter and Square CEO Jack Dorsey, are having a meeting soon to basically discuss the future of Bitcoin and the sustainability in terms of mining and using renewable energy. So that should be quite an important conference, and hopefully it is a positive catalyst for the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. But as of now, it just looks like we're in a bit of an accumulation period. It could definitely drop to maybe somewhere around the 25,000 level, or we could see the bull run continue, but I'm just trying to add in wherever I can, add to my position. But I'm definitely not buying in heavy by any means. I'm just slowly averaging in when I see some opportunities there. But as I said, it's not a clear indicator if the bull run will continue or if we'll go into a bear market. So as I said, not buying in heavy, just waiting and see what happens really. Okay, so what I'll do first is just have a quick look at my overall portfolio here on BlockFi, and then we'll maybe jump into some of the ones like the Cake DeFi, and we'll just jump into Binance as well and take a more of an in-depth look. But at an overall high level, we have $7,048 in the portfolio right now. I have recently moved $1,000 out of this account into a different opportunity, and I'll actually have a video on that very soon. I just need to wait a bit longer to see what results that experiment kind of has for me. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at the $2,666 that are in my Binance account. Again, this is not separate to that 7,000. It's just that 7,000 basically tracks my overall portfolio, not 100% accurately, but just kind of approximately. And then I'm going into these separate individual accounts that I hold each of the cryptocurrencies in. So over here, you can see this is where I have most of my Bitcoin here. We have $1,111 there, 0.03 of a Bitcoin. I would love to own one full Bitcoin in the future, but I don't have the money to put it all into Bitcoin right now. I don't want to take on that risk. But as I said, going to try adding to my position, and hopefully if I see it around the $20,000 level, I might move some money around and try get myself one Bitcoin overall. But I think that'd be a great thing to have, one Bitcoin. But anyway, you can see that I have reduced my XRP position a little bit, but I still want a bit of a stake in that just in case it does pop off after the lawsuit. But I have decreased that position slightly. Then we have Nano there, 389 in that. Ethereum, a little bit of Ethereum in here. I have most of my Ethereum over on BlockFi, which we'll take a look at in a minute. About $366 there. And then we have some Polygon Matic. We have about $330 there. And then just some spare cash in BNB coin there too. Okay, next up we're taking a look at my BlockFi account. You can see I have just under $4,000 in this one. So let's go ahead and see what I have. So you can see I have 0.05 Bitcoin in there. So overall about 0.08 Bitcoin right now. And then you can see I have one, just very slightly over one Ethereum in here as well. So yeah, that's basically that. And then just a couple of, what was it, $3 or something in USDC. So basically I'm earning some interest on these. It's not a whole lot, but it's nice to be earning a small bit of interest on it. You can see there, I think I've had this for maybe 3 or 4 months at this stage now, and you can see I've earned about $60 in interest payments. Not amazing, but better than nothing, I guess. So let's go ahead and see what yield I'm getting. So 4% yield on my Ethereum, and then on Bitcoin, I'm getting a 4% yield on that as well. BlockFi did have higher rates. I think they used to be about 6% or so, but they've gone down a little bit. A little bit annoying, but again, it's better than nothing. So happy to leave that one sitting there for now. And you can also change it into stable coins and back to different cryptocurrencies as well. So you can exchange that on BlockFi. So I'll leave a link down in the description below to BlockFi if any of you guys want to check it out and earn some interest on your cryptocurrency. So now for my third place that I hold my cryptocurrency, we have Cake DeFi. This is essentially where I hold the DFI token, decentralized finance token. And essentially what I do here is stake my DeFi. So you can see that I have $493 worth down here, and you can see that I have some of that frozen. Essentially what this means is if I go to the freezer right here, I basically stake this cryptocurrency, but I've left it there that I can't access it. I think I've done it for 12 months, that 490 or so, and then some of it I'm staking as well because I'm earning interest on. So let me just see what the current yield is on this. So you can see there 106.4% yield. This changes slightly from time to time, but it's been about over 100 there for the last couple of months. So this gets paid on a monthly basis. But yeah, 106% is really good. So for example, my $491 here, if I left that in for basically 12 months, I would have essentially double that, which is pretty amazing. So yeah, have that in there. It's only a small amount of money, but again, it's nice to be earning some money on your money. But anyway, yeah, so I have most of that in the freezer, I think, for 12 months, and then the rest that comes in, I just stake that. And when you just stake it without putting it in a freezer, it essentially means you can take it out whenever you want and put it to use elsewhere. But yeah, I really like Cake DeFi. They don't have an iPhone app just yet, but if any of you guys want to check it out, I'll leave a link down in the description below. I think the current referral here is, so you get 10 worth of DeFi. I'll get 10, sorry, and then you'll actually get $30 if you sign up and deposit a certain amount. Let's see exactly what the amount is. So you can pause it there. You can have a look at the sign up bonus kind of rules there. I think if you deposit 50 of any coin, you can get $20 free. So that's a pretty good deal there. So yeah, link down to that in the description down below. But yeah, guys, that's essentially my cryptocurrency portfolio for the month of July. As I said, it's around that $7,000 mark right now. And I've recently taken out 1,000 and put that into another project, which I will show you guys very soon. I think I just need to wait maybe another month before I bring you guys some results of that. But I'd love to know what you guys are doing in the current cryptocurrency market. As I said, I'm a little bit unsure of which direction it will go. So I'm definitely not selling, but I'm holding for now. And I'm trying to add to my positions anytime I see a good opportunity to. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please make sure you do drop a like on it. And if you're new around here, make sure you do subscribe to the channel as well. Would really appreciate it. If you're from Ireland as well and you're interested in looking for a new stockbroker, I have a link down in the description below to Buck0, where you can get a free share, and that free share can be valued all the way up to €200. And as well as that, if you're watching this before the 31st of July, you can invite up to 10 friends and get 2 free shares for each of them that join, so you can get quite a bit of money there. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in another video.